Hey, so as I promised, this is how you can start editing the Super 8 footage. So I made a new project file in Premiere, and now I'm going to import both my video from the lab, and then this is all my audio. So you can pick if you know what specific stuff is yours, but since I don't know what's what, I'm just going to import everything right into Premiere. Okay, so here are my video files right here. So I'm just going to take this one first since I know can see this. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to find your footage, and you're going to have to use the J, K, and L keys to find the first frame of each shot. So right here, this is scene 1. Looks like it's 1B take 1. So I'm going to mark an in right here, and then I'm going to play the scene through. And I can hit the L key a few more times to go faster. And I'm going to find where the scene ends. Okay, and I'm going to mark an out. Okay, and then if I control click on here, I can say make subclip. So I'm going to say 1B take 1. And then that is now a clip in your bin. Same thing, I'm going to go over here and go to this shot, and this is 1B take 2. And then I'm going to go all the way over till this is over and find the last scene, or the last frame of the shot per se. And then again, I can make subclip, and this is going to be 1B take 2. Okay, so you're going to go through your whole movie. And it could be that your movie is in different places because remember the lab did not transfer these in any order. And then there's some other stuff mixed in from New York and some other footage here. So then what you're going to have to do, so that was what friend, right? So we can go to the audio for this. So now we got to figure out what scene is one.
Recording.
Okay, so that's nothing. Now when you can look at your log sheets. All right, so this is 1B take 1. So I got to label this track 1B take 1. I'm guessing that this next clip is going to be 1B take 2.
1B take 2.
Okay, 1B take 2. So you should label everything. Don't be lazy and just not label it and try and stick it unlabeled because it's going to get really confusing, and that's a horrible way to edit. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my 1B take 1, right? And this should be reminiscent of the beginning of 110. I'm going to mark an I right where the slate happens. 1B take 2, again, mark an I right where the slate happens. Okay, so then also down in my clips right here that I just made, I'm going to mark an I right when I see the slate touch itself, right there. And then right when the clap hits, we mark an I here, okay? I'm going to click 1B take 1, and I'm going to hold down the command key and then click my audio 1B take 1, then hit control and then click, and I'm going to hit merge clips, and then we want to do it from in points. Okay, it's going to label it 1B merged. And so now here's my clip. And if it all works,
Action. What class do you have next?
You have sound and film together.
Yeah, it's a tough class, but I'm sure you'll be fine.
Okay, same thing. Let's do it one more time so you can see. I'm going to scroll down. 1B take 2. Command click 1B take 2. Control click. Merge clips. In points, right? It labels this merge file, and now.
What class do you have next? What class do you have next?
I think I have Physics 1. You've already taken it, haven't you?
And then you're going to be editing with your merge clips. So you'd mark ins and outs and put the stuff in the sequence, and then, edit just as you normally would. Let me know if you have any questions.